Hello students, welcome to the channel and you are watching the Ultimate English Teacher and Lecturer. Students, in this video I will discuss about the summary of the poem A Poison Tree by William Blake. A Poison Tree is a short and deceptively simple poem about repressing anger and the consequences of doing so. The speaker tells of how they fail to communicate their wrath to their foe and how this continues to grow until it develops into poisonous hatred. The speaker describes how when they were angry with a friend, they talked to their friend about the issue which helped them to overcome their anger. However, the speaker was unable to do the same with an enemy, and this leads to developing resentment and on an even stronger degrees of hatred. An extended metaphor of a tree growing in the speaker's garden demonstrates how the anger continues to grow. In the lines, "And I watered it in fears, and I sunned it with smiles," the speaker actively cultivates the tree or anger. Eventually, the anger blossoms into a poison fruit. The enemy eats the fruit and dies, and the speaker seems to be glad of this. However, there is also a sense that they see the destructiveness of what has occurred. As the first line acknowledges, we can easily overcome our anger if we communicate it properly. A Poison Tree is written in quatrains or four-line stanzas rhymed AABB, rhyming couplets. The meter of the poem is what is technically known as trochaic tetrameter catalectic. This means that the meter used in the trochee, a stressed syllable followed by an unstressed syllable. Example in the line, "And he knew that it was mine." The stresses are as follows: "And he knew that it was mine." There are four such trochees in a line, hence tetrameter. But note that the fourth and final trochee is cut short. The second half of it is missing. Rather than writing four instances, "and he knew that it was mine," or something, Blake simply writes, "and he knew that it was mine," cutting short the line before we get the eighth syllable. This gives the poem a clipped, even abrupt feel, which is reinforced by the short sentences and frequent use of full stops. Students, don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get all the videos at first. Thank you for watching.